Watch this video and learn how to draw Artie's Sofa. Later on, Artie receives a call from Mango Monster. And watch to the end for one of Louie's shape breaks. Are you ready, Artie? Are you ready, little artists? Come on, everyone. It's Artie's show.
Come on, kids, let's run, let's brush. Grab a pencil, chalk, or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes, and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie!
Hello.
Hello, Artie. What are we going to draw today?
No, Artie doesn't know.
I know, Artie. Let's draw one of your favourite things, your sofa.
Oh, that's gonna be really good. I'll go get my marker pens. Wow. Whoa.
Good day, little artists!
Hey, little artists, how's it going?
I wonder what Artie is going to draw today.
Can you remember what your sofa looks like?
I didn't really think about it.
Well, it's purple with an arm on either side and buttons on the back.
Oh,
Let's draw
yeah,
it.
That's a really good idea. Okay, Artie will draw that. Thank you.
Let's start by drawing the left arm of the sofa, a C shape and then a straight line coming down. It looks a bit like a back-to-front letter P.
Yeah.
Now draw a straight line all the way across. If Artie's drawing too quick, here's a message from Louie. If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away. And when you're caught up, you can just press play. Oh, that was marvellous, darling. Thanks, Louie. Very helpful. Now let's draw the right arm of the sofa, and this time a correct way round letter P shape. Now let's draw a straight line down from the bottom of the P.
I can feel the anticipation in the air.
I can smell it too.
Draw a little curved quarter circle shape. Perfect. Now let's do the same on the left side. A straight line down and a little quarter circle. Let's connect the two together with a long horizontal line. Oh, here comes Barry Tone.
Hi, Artie. Whoa, look at that drawing. It smells like a hit. Whoa. Bye.
Thank you, Barry. That was a lovely note. Okay, Artie. Now let's draw the back of the sofa. Another larger size quarter circle on the left and the right, and then connect those two together with a horizontal straight line. It's looking pretty good.
Oh, I wonder who it is. It's a felt time. Who could it be?
Oh, hey Artie, I'm feeling super artsy today.
Hi, Mango Monster. Oh, do tell.
Oh, guess what I did? Oh, I painted a picture using my paws. It's so messy, but super fun, right?
Oh, that sounds awesome. What did you paint?
I painted a mango polka dot with stripes, of course. Because regular mangoes are way too plain.
A polka dot mango? That's so creative. I love how you used your imagination.
Do you, make art with your hands too?
Oh yeah, I love finger painting. Sometimes I even use my fingerprints to make little animals.
Oh, little animals? Oh my gosh, like a fingerprint monster. Oh, can you teach me next time?
Of course, Mango Monster. Next time we'll make fingerprint monsters together. Ho-ho!
I'll definitely bring the paint. Orange is my favorite color anyway.
Oh, well, that's perfect because I'm orange. See you next time, Mango Monster.
Bye, Artie. Oh my gosh, yes. Keep creating the good stuff.
Isn't this great, Mikey?
Best day of my life.
Oh, yeah.
It was nice hearing from your friend Mango, wasn't it, Artie? That reminds me, we must buy some mangoes next time we're in the supermarket. Okay, now let's draw the seat cushions of our sofa. 2 more quarter circles and a straight line. Watch to the end to see one of Louie's fantastic shape breaks. Now let's draw the right side cushion, Artie. Another quarter circle and another, and then connect the 2 together with a straight horizontal line. I think it's time to give our sofa some legs. On the left side, draw an angled line and another one beside it.
Oh no, that's Painty's music. Oh, Painty. Painty is such a... Painty! Oh no! Oh! Oh!
Look out! Uh-oh.
Oh, Bunny, it's not funny. Painty's made a big pink sploshy mess everywhere. I'll have to clean that up later. You've made some very interesting shapes on this drawing, Artie.
Oh, Artie wants shape break.
You want a shape break right now?
Yeah.
Okay, why not?
Okay, Louie, shape break.
Hello, little artists, and welcome to the Shape Break. My name's Louie, and I'm going to teach you today about this shape right here. It's a rectangle. Now, rectangle is a very interesting shape because it has 4 sides, just like a square. But here's the tricky bit. A square has 4 sides that are all the same length. Rectangle, however, is different. I'll show you. So, the bottom here is quite short, as you see, and the top is as well. But notice the left and the right here are longer. So, a rectangle has 2 long sides and 2 short sides. Huh. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. Anyway, so let's think of some things that are rectangular shaped. Well, a door. Doors are usually rectangular shaped, yes. Books are nearly always rectangular shaped, nearly. My cell phone. Cell phones are rectangular shaped. Money, paper money, is always rectangular shaped. Now, metal money, coins, of course they're circles, just to confuse things, but paper money, definitely rectangles. So let's think here. Oh, I know, I've got a good one. Why don't rectangles like fast food? Well, because they prefer well-rounded meals. Because there's no round. Okay, never mind.
Thank you, Louie. That was a very good shape break. Artie learned a lot.
About rectangles.
Yeah.
Should we carry on with the drawing?
Okay.
Now, using a much thinner marker pen, let's draw some buttons on the backrest of the sofa. We're going to draw lots of little circles in a very uniformed pattern.
Hi, Artie.
Hi.
Oh, your drawing is positively perfect.
Thank you.
You're welcome. See you soon, my artsy friend.
Bye.
I think we'll draw 7 buttons in total, Artie. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just one more. 7. There we go. Wow, this thing's looking probably finished. What do you think?
I'm finished.
I thought you were. It looks great.
Yeah.
Now what?
It's coloring time. Ooh.
Coloring it in is my favorite part.
Mine too.
Wow, it looks really good, Artie. Just like your sofa. Came out great.
Came out so good.
It really did.
Artie's very, very happy.
And so you should be.
Artie, can't wait till tomorrow. Can't wait to see what you come up with.
Wow, that was so much fun. Thank you for watching, little artists. We'll see you again next time. Bye-bye for now. Bye-bye. Bye.